Finding the right treadmill for your needs, capabilities, and future is very important, particularly if you are new to running or exercise in general. In this article, we will be looking at 5 high-quality treadmills in an attempt to find the best treadmill for beginners. In this video we will look at some of the best treadmill for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness TR300 Folding Treadmill. While the XTERRA Fitness TR300 Folding Treadmill is not a particularly powerful treadmill, it is durable, excellent value for money and has good cushioning on its deck. This is a great treadmill for beginners and will last you a long time. The power comes from a 2.25 horsepower motor, and the treadmill has a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. Now, that speed is pretty fast for a 2.25 horsepower motor, so you can expect a bit of strain if you run at 10 miles per hour for too long. Not that many beginners are likely to do that. The cushioning is excellent, with an extra soft cushioned deck providing maximum impact shock absorption. This will reduce the stress on your joints as you run, and help you feel comfortable throughout. The price is very reasonable, particularly when you consider the max user weight capacity is a very decent £300, and the lifetime frame warranty that XTERRA offer. The treadmill has a good incline setting too, a fan, and an audio jack, allowing you to feel comfortable and entertained during your workout. Overall, this is a really impressive beginner's treadmill, and one that should last you a long time. If you are planning on jogging and walking more than sprinting, then you will get the most out of this treadmill. Incline walking and jogging will allow you to burn a lot of calories and to improve your cardiovascular health. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7718 Treadmill. A great price, excellent value for money, and superior cushioning make this a great choice for beginners. However, the power and durability are not as good as the others on this list. There is a max user weight capacity of 250 pounds, which is quite low. If you are a lighter runner, then you shouldn't notice any difference. The main downside to this treadmill is how it looks. Sure, aesthetics is not that important when it comes to treadmills, but this is certainly not a pretty treadmill to look at. It kind of looks like a 1980s talking robot with tiny arms, or maybe that's just what we see. The motor is the same as the Schwinn treadmill, 2.5 horsepower, but the top speed is just 9 miles per hour. This means that if you are looking for a treadmill that you can sprint on, this is not the treadmill for you. But as a beginner, you are unlikely to want a treadmill for sprinting on. If you are looking for a treadmill that you can walk on or run at a slow or medium pace on, then this is ideal. The biggest plus for this treadmill is definitely the price. Excellent value for money, and a perfect fit for beginners. Number 3. SereneLife Foldable Treadmill. This treadmill is very similar to the Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill, but looks nicer, and offers 10 miles per hour rather than 9 miles per hour as a top speed. It works out at roughly the same price too. The motor is identical when it comes to power, at 2.5 horsepower. The manufacturer recommends people who are 285 pounds max use it, which is okay but not as durable as some treadmills on this list. The treadmill folds away nicely. The display screen is well designed and simple to use, the running deck is well made, and nicely cushioned. We'd say that it is slightly less durable than Sunny Health's treadmill, but there's not much in it. This is a great compromise between price and quality. It may not last as long as some on this list, but as an entry-level treadmill it's great. It should last you quite a few years, and then you can replace it with a more advanced alternative. Number 4. NordicTrack T 6.5 Si Treadmill. The final treadmill on this list is also our favorite. The NordicTrack T 6.5 Si Treadmill is one of the cheapest NordicTrack treadmills you can purchase, but it is still more expensive than the other 4 treadmills on this list. But you are paying for serious quality. Sure, compared to other NordicTrack treadmills, the 2.6 chp motor is not going to stack up so well, but 2.6 chp is fine for beginners. The treadmill is amazingly durable and should last you years. A top speed of 10 miles per hour is decent, allowing you to run at almost a sprint. The treadmill looks great, has an excellent display screen, amazing incline settings, and a 10-year frame warranty testifies to its durability. The treadmill folds up nicely when not in use, and has a max user weight capacity of 300 pounds. This is an incredible treadmill for beginners. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603 Treadmill. This budget-friendly treadmill on Amazon is a great deal because so many people buy and love it. Currently, it has earned over 1,000 5-star reviews. Of course, to hit such a low price, there are a lot of compromises. The belt is the skinniest we've seen, the motor tops out at 9 miles per hour, and to adjust the incline you have to get off the machine and flip a lever under the deck. But it's smooth and reliable at walking speeds and is handy for the occasional jog when you otherwise can't get outside. It's hard to argue with what this treadmill delivers at this price. Solid steel construction with extra shock absorption system makes your indoor run or walk a steady and effective cardio workout while getting the best value from the Sunny treadmills. Monitors the heart and pulse rate, track distance and time, includes 9 workout programs that keep you challenged with your fitness goals. Tune up your workout with 3 levels of adjustable incline, less impact on your legs and joints with built-in treadmill cushioning versus hard asphalt.